Okay guys, so today we're going to make some mashed breadfruit. Just as we have mashed potato, we're going to do some mashed breadfruit. So here I have some breadfruit that I cut up. I also have some 4 cloves of garlic that I'm also going to put in boiling the breadfruit. We're going to boil the breadfruit in some coconut milk. So here I have the coconut milk. I'm going to add the breadfruit in. I'm going to have to add some water to this. But we're going to add the breadfruit. We're going to boil the breadfruit in some coconut milk with about 1 teaspoon of salt. I just added in the 4 cloves of garlic there, because what I'm going to do is mash the garlic along with the breadfruit when everything is nice and soft. So I'm just adding the breadfruit in, and we're going to leave this to boil until the breadfruit is nice and soft and tender. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit of water so that all the breadfruit is submerged under the liquid. Okay, so we're going to leave this to come up to boil and allow it to boil until the breadfruit is nice and soft. Okay guys, so now that our breadfruit is soft, we have boiled it in the coconut milk and it's nice and soft, we're going to add it to this dish here so that we can mash it. Okay, so to our warm breadfruit, we're going to add some butter. We're just going to mash everything nicely. You know what? Let me get my potato masher to do this. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper over it. Let's combine this together. All right, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to taste for salt, because remember I did boil the breadfruit in some salt. Yes, I think it has enough salt. I don't think I need to add any more, because remember the butter that I use is salted butter as well. And remember, to add the extra flavor, we also added those 4 cloves of garlic. So all of that is combined nicely together. So the last thing for us to do is now add our chive or spring onions to it. And let's just again combine everything together. Well, there you have it folks, our mashed breadfruit. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, give the video the thumbs up, and of course, most importantly, don't forget to share this video with family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye for now.